No 9. līdz 17. novembrim Latvijā, Lietuvā un Igaunijā norisinājās NATO sabiedroto ātrās reaģēšanas korpusa štāba mācības Arcade Fusion 2015. Mācībās Arcade Fusion 2015 Latvijā piedalījās vairāk nekā 500 dalībnieku no vairākām alianses dalību valstīm. Savukārt mācībās Latvijā, Lietuvā un Igaunijā kopumā piedalījās vairāk nekā 1700 karavīru un civilais personāls. Pēc mācībām norisinājās preses konferences, kurā piedalījās mācību Arcade Fusion organizētāji.
Labdien! Welcome and thank you for being here today at the culmination of what has been an ambitious and challenging exercise. The aim of the exercise was to improve our understanding of what it takes to deploy a force into another NATO nation and refine the way the headquarters, the Allied Rapid Reaction Corps, operates alongside our Baltic allies. Also, and perhaps more importantly, we wanted to assure the people and the governments of Latvia, Lithuania and Estonia that NATO stands ready to support its members if in time is need. We've also learned a great deal and we can take forward in our lessons for the future to how do we improve and enhance our cooperation together. 21 nations worked together to make this exercise a success, and it has been a success. But I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank General Graba and the government of Latvia for their hospitality and above all their commitment to make this exercise a success. Now looking ahead, I'm confident that the relationships we have established here today in this last week will be enduring, and we are ready to deal with the many threats in this uncertain world. Paldies!
Mācību mērķis bija demonstrēt NATO spējas ātri izvērsties alianses dalību valstu teritorijā, veikt nepieciešamo koordināciju ar uzņemošās valsts un pašvaldību iestādēm, kā arī praksē pārbaudīt atsevišķus NATO, sevišķi ātrās reaģēšanas vienības elementus darbībai pašreizējā starptautiskajā drošības vidē.
Parallelly, we had two exercises. One so-called Baltic Host, which covers also Baltic states and a joint Baltic exercise. And parallel to that, we had another one, national one. Joe Evans mentioned Premier Minister, the exercise called Kristaps 15, where our government, together with the President, was part of the exercise and for the top-level decision-making what concerns to the host nation capabilities and support. Difficult? No, it's not difficult because we've been exercising this kind of capabilities or responsibilities for a while. But of course, any exercise gives additional lessons, identify lessons learned, and we're very pleased. It's a very unique situation for us to work with ARC. Besides this military decision-making process, there is a real-life support, cohesiveness and support, all the all logistic movements and ports and cross-border operations and so on. So very pleased. It's very, very, very important and valuable exercise for us.
Mācību laikā NATO sabiedroto ātrās reaģēšanas korpusa štāba galvenais elements atradās gaisa spēku aviācijas bāzē Lielvārdē. Savukārt Lietuvā izvietotais štābs vadīja un pārraudzīja loģistikas piegādes šim štābam, bet atsevišķi tā elementi darbojās arī Igaunijā. Kopš 1992. gada, kad tika izveidots NATO sabiedroto ātrās reaģēšanas korpusa štābs, gandrīz katru gadu tiek rīkotas tā mācības. Pēdējos 2 gadus mācības Arcade Fusion norisinājās Lielbritānijā. Šogad tas notika Latvijā.
Kas tu esi? Ko tu vari? Kas tu būsi rīt?